In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin using Venmo. Go ahead and open up Venmo. Once you're here, come to the bottom and click on Crypto, then select Bitcoin. At the bottom, click on Buy. If this is the first time that you're buying crypto on Venmo, it's going to ask you to enter some information about yourself before you buy. Once you click on Continue and go through that, you'll be taken to a page where you can buy your Bitcoin. As an example, I'll select $1 worth, and then you'll be taken to a review page. You'll see there's a transaction fee for buying Bitcoin, and the size of that fee depends on how much Bitcoin you buy. For $1, the fee is 49 cents. For $50, the fee is $2. Next, at the top, choose your payment method. You can use your Venmo balance, or if you've added a bank or debit card, you can select that. Once you're ready to buy, click on Buy Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin will be immediately in your account. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.